Hello everyone. Welcome to Autotrade-HUB. Here we develop auto trading software for trading applications, such as MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader, etc. We are having more than 10 years of experience in the financial industry and software development. We develop auto trading software according to our clients' requirements and strategies. We have developed multiple trading strategies and running successfully. We also automate our clients' trading view strategies into MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and CTrader. Moreover, we also automate trading indicators, which are built into a trading platform or manually developed indicators. Our clients are making good profits from the market just by trading automatically and emotionlessly. You can also make it. If you would like to have a look at our client's trading account, visit our website www.autotrade-hub.com. For further information about auto trading software, WhatsApp us at +919 137483285 or email us at support@autotrade-hub.com. You can also chat with us on our website. The link is given in the description. Thank you so much. Have a nice time.